This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adam Fernandez. Perfect for an investor or first-time homebuyer. With open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, Jack and Jill bath and beautifully tiled DE office, and vaulted ceilings. New air conditioner installed in 2018 along with whole home surge protector, and brand new roof in 2020. Also features lush landscaping with a huge fenced-in backyard and screened-in lanai, perfect for kids, pets and for entertaining. Plenty of room for a pool. Location right off Santa Barbara and minutes to Pine Island Road. Shopping. Not many homes at this age have a brand new air conditioner and roof. This home is ready and will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Adam Fernandez at 708-309-0819.